Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js Canva powered AI powered image background removal tool. It's We are running it on localhost 3000. Let me show you the quick little demo. So first of all, when you come to this application, you select whatever image file that you want to remove the background. As you select the image file, all the processing will take place directly in the browser. We are using the libraries here. As you can see, it has successfully analyzed the image pixel by pixel and it has removed the background, and you are seeing the result. Once you click the download result, it will download the output image file. So it's entirely full stacks a SaaS based tool, software as a service tool. I built it from scratch. So every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. After purchasing it, you will be able to download the source code automatically from Google Drive. And for removing the background, we are using free libraries which are TensorFlow, which is a Python-based image segmentation library, BodyPix, and MediaPipe. So we are using these libraries for removing the background. It's a AI-powered application. And same goes with, we have also the second tool as well, change background, which does the same thing, but it also allows you to select a static solid color using the color picker, and then automatically it will apply that color to that image. So first of all, it removes the background from the image, and then it applies the static color. So here you can select a static color. For example, I select this color, and then so many a times you need to change the background of the image. So this also does the thing for you. It will save you a lot of time because you don't require any special image editor for doing these tasks. Rather than, you can use this Next.js application for image related task for removing the background or changing the background. Apart from that, we also have three more tools, which is PDF editor as well. So it allows you to convert your images into PDF as well. So this basically I developed entirely. So again, you select a bunch of images, and then those images will be converted into PDF. So you can just see the result. It's really fast. So it's a SaaS based tool, software as a service. So once you purchase it, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features as well. So this is again another tool which allows you to merge multiple PDF files. So here I can select multiple PDF files here. So once you select this, you can change the order as well. You can basically click on merge PDF and both the PDF file will be merged. So here you can even change the order as well. So once you click, so I think my internet is working. I think there is some kind of, so sometimes you just need to refresh it. Uh, yeah, so I think my file system is not working. That's why. So, but the split PDF is again a similar thing. You basically, if you have a long PDF file, you can select. It will analyze it, and here you can split your long PDF file here, and here you can add ranges as well. So from 1 to 5, and then from 5 to 10, and then you click split PDF and it will divide the PDF into multiple files. So as you can see that, so it is actually a full stack Next.js project having all the functionalities for removing background from, and also the PDF editor as well. So if you're interested guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code.